Hi students, now we will discuss how to solve warshall's algorithm to find out transitive closure. Okay, so what is the first step in the warshall's algorithm is convert the given graph into adjacency matrix. So in the previous video I have discussed how to convert a given graph into what matrix? Adjacency matrix. Okay, now what we should do here is we have to find whether the path exists via A, via B, via C, via D. So for that reason, first I will fix the A row and A column. I'll fix what? A row and A column. So in R of 1, I will fix what? The 8th row and A's column. So I'll fix A row and what? A column will be fixed. Now to find out this, first what you do, now I want to find the second row. See here, keep your hand like this, second row, and this time you should find out means you should do AND operation like this. 0 and 1 is what? 0 and 1 is what? 0. Or with 0 is 0 itself. Do you follow it? Similarly, 0 and 0 or with 0. So you get 0. 0 and 0. First you should do AND operation. After this you should do OR operation with this value. Okay. So now similarly for this AND operation, OR, OR. Fine. So 0 and 0, 0, or with 1 you get what? 1 itself. Okay. Then for this, obviously if you do 0, this for third row, you keep your hand like this, like here, 0 and 1. 0 with everything you get obviously what? All has what? Zeros. Are you following? And now you check here. For fourth row, 1 and 1. 1 and 1. You get what? 1 itself. So all with 0 obviously you get what? 1. Then 1 and 0 is 0. All 1 is 1. Then 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 itself. Okay. So this is the actual procedure to find out. But the easy way I will teach. Now via A, we got the reachability. Now we find out via B. Via B means to find out R2. To find out what? R2, I will consider R1. Okay. So it is via B. So I will fix the second row and second column. What you do here is, now since I am fixing second row and second column, I will write that second row as it is. I will write second row as it is and second column as it is, and wherever 1 is there, I will write as it is. Wherever 1 is there, I will write as it is. No need to compute. Already it is 1 row, no need to compute. For that reason, wherever 1 is there, I will write 1 as it is. Now in the remaining columns only you should compute. I want to compute this. To compute this, the first row, isn't it? First row, which value is fixed? Second row. So 1 and 0. 1 and 0 obviously is what? 0. Then 1 and 0. Do AND operation. That's all, because already we have written 1 as it is, right? Now you just do only AND operation. So 1 and 0. 0. Now you see 1 and 1. You get 1. Similarly, for third row, 0 and 0. 0. Then 0 and 0. 0. 0 and 1, 0. Now for this, now very important, check here. These three values already I wrote. Only thing is I have to compute the last value. To compute the last value, this in this row this value is fixed. In that column, the last value. So first value, second value, third value, and fourth value. 1 and 1 is 1, right? 1. Understood, right? So like this, we will compute R of 2. Next, what I will do, I will fix the third column and the third row. I'll fix what? Third column and third row. So I'll be computing R of 3. As usual, what I said, 1 liter. It is easy to reduce your time. Okay. So wherever third row and third column is fixed, right? You write as it is first third row. So if you want, you can indicate like this: first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. If you want, you can indicate. The third row and third column is fixed. Okay. Third row and third column is fixed. Now what to do? Wherever ones is there, you retain the ones as it is. You don't compute again. Wherever ones is there, you retain the ones as it is. Now you have to calculate this value. One, this 3 values you should calculate. Now to calculate this value, now I need to calculate this first row, isn't it? Keep your hand in the first where it is fixed, and here 0 and 0 is what? 0 itself. So 0 and 0 it is 0 itself. Then for the second value, first row, second value, right? First row it is fixed. You keep hand here. So 0 and 0, but already you have 1, so I am not computing it again. Now to compute this 2, second row you keep your hand and fixed column, right? 0 and 0 it is 0 only. Then 0 and 0 it is 0 only. Okay? This is the value we got, R of 3. Now to compute R of 4, what I will do here is, so I will fix the fourth row and fourth column. I'll fix the fourth row and fourth column. Now as usual, I told, first you write which column and which row is fixed, and again wherever ones is there, you write it off that. Now only thing is, you should compute this, and here 3 values you should compute, and here also you should compute 3 values. Okay, that one you should take. Now you see, now you want to calculate the first value, isn't it? So first row is this one, right? So 1 and 1, you get what? 1. 1 and 1, already 1 is there. Next, 1 and 1, 1. That's right. Similarly for the second row, second value fixed, right? 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 1, 1. Then for third value, here third value, what value is fixed? 0. 0 you do, and with all this, so obviously you get all as zeros. So now this will give the transitive closure of the given graph. Understood, right? So like this, we have to do for warshalls on the term. So I have 4 nodes. We have to compute R1, R2, R3, R4. So 4 stages you have to compute. If you have 10 nodes, 10 stages you need to compute like this. So hope you have understood how to use Warshall's algorithm to find out what? Transitive closure. So applications of Warshall's algorithm is, so it is used in the spreadsheets. Suppose if one particular cell, that cell value, suppose let me write as A, B, C, 1 something. Now A cell, this cell value is that value is depending on C, B and all. Now C is depending on A, B is depending on A and some other cells are depending on A. So if A value is changed, automatically other cell which and all is dependent on this A should automatically update it, isn't it? For that reason they use warshall's algorithm to find out which are the dependent, which are the nodes that is dependent on this reachable nodes. So they'll represent that in the graph and they'll use warshall's algorithm to find that spreadsheet values to change automatically. That is one application, and one more application is, so as Sir said, to check whether it is connected or not connected graph, and with the object-oriented programming concepts to check which are the classes which is inheriting this class, which are the classes is dependent on this class. Okay, so that inheritance to check which are the derived classes, how many derived classes are there which are dependent on that. To check that also we'll be using warshall's algorithm. Thank you.